Growing up, I ate a lot of tortillas in my house, and it's funny, for something I had so much of, I knew so little about it. And, the deeper I kind of tried to dive into the subject, the more I realized, this was a book that had to be written. There had to be more on the subject about something that is so ubiquitous, like a tortilla, like masa. This is not your traditional cookbook. This book is a deep dive into a subject and a food that we all know and love. My name is Jorge Gaviria. I'm the founder of Masienda and the author of MASA, Techniques, Recipes, and Reflections on a Timeless Staple. I started this journey 8 years ago when I started working with heirloom corn farmers in Mexico to source the best quality corn in the world for the best quality masa in the world. It all starts with corn. And I realized that the best quality tortilla starts with the best masa. So this book is really a way to connect all of those experiences between working with farmers in Mexico to abuelas and home cooks to professional chefs. It's all been condensed into this book. Pick up a book wherever books are sold. I'm so proud of this. I hope you enjoy it.